Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Asnith, and today I went ahead and used the BH Cosmetics Miss Claus The Hit List palette, and I am absolutely in love. So this is what the inside of the palette looks like. It is enormous. I wish I could do swatches, but I'm covered in tattoos, so I don't think that the swatches will show up very well. So I've actually been trying to find this palette for the past couple weeks because when we got it at our local Ulta, it sold out immediately. So I've been having a hard time. While we were visiting my husband's brother and his wife, they live in Tennessee, but they live like right on the state line. So we drove over to Kentucky at the Ulta there. They literally had one palette left. I didn't even think that they were gonna have it. I just walked in to kind of see what different things they had versus what we have available in our store. So when I walked in, we were just kind of walking around, and then all of a sudden I saw the display, and my sister-in-law saw me kind of freak out for a minute. I was so excited. The fact that it was the very last one and I was able to get it just made my day. I can already tell looking at it that I'm going to use this palette a lot, especially for Christmas looks. I think it is just so beautiful. I am so excited. I would definitely say that if you're still looking for a Christmas present for someone and they love makeup, get this palette for them. I know that you can get it online through Ulta and through BH Cosmetics, so I would highly recommend getting this palette. It is just so beautiful. I am so happy that I have it. On my lips, I am wearing the Physicians Formula Organic Wear lipstick again. It is the Goji Berry shade, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I think that's how you say it. Other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and just jump right in this video. If you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Alrighty guys, so that was it. What do you think? Do you think you're gonna try and pick up this palette, or do you think that maybe you'll try and get it as a Christmas present for someone? I love it. I think it is so stinking beautiful. Like, it has these little details like all over it that are like diamonds and snowflakes and money signs, but it just doesn't pick up on camera very well. Again, this palette is just so beautiful. I love it so much. I am so happy that I got it. I think next I'm gonna do the greens and then maybe the blues, or like a neutral kind of look with the golds and the shimmers. I don't know, there's just so much. They even have like silvers and blacks down here. I will be doing Vlogmas starting on Wednesday. Today is Monday, so in 2 days I'm gonna start Vlogmas. I'm super excited. It's the first year that I'm ever doing it, so yeah, I've got some fun things planned. I know that during Vlogmas we'll be going to Alabama, so there'll be some fun like road trip footage on there, and then I think we're gonna go to Jackson Lake Island and see the goats. If you do not know what that is, definitely check it out. It's where they filmed the movie Big Fish. It's one of my absolute favorite places to go in the world. On that note, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe so that you can see future videos I'll be posting 2 to 3 times a week here on my channel. But with Vlogmas, it's gonna be every day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.